some breaking news coming in straight from the state of Tamil Nadu. The Tamil Nadu Deepam Rao has now escalated into a major constitutional standoff. Yes, DMK MP Kanimori, backed by INDIA bloc leaders, has moved an impeachment notice against Madras High Court Judge G.R. Swaminathan, a motion that carries 120 signatures. A big development. A big update as far as Tamil Nadu Deepam Rao is concerned. It has now escalated into a major constitutional standoff. My colleague Thoyajakshi Shekhar is joining us live on the broadcast to provide us more details. Thoyajakshi, please fill us in with the latest developments that you have received. The 120 signatures on this particular motion, the support that has come out.
Well, yes, Sakshi, more than 120 MPs have signed and submitted to the Lok Sabha Speaker a notice seeking the impeachment of Justice G.R. Swaminathan following controversy over his recent Madurai branch of the Madras High Court order directing that the annual Kartigai Deepam to be lit at the ancient Deepathon lamp pillar on the Tirupurankundram hillock, in addition to the traditional site at the Uche Pillayar temple in Madurai district of Tamil Nadu. But the judge ruled that Deepathon lies on the temple land and not that the act would affect the nearby Sikandar Dharga, which is like 15 to 20 meters away from this Deepathon, or violate communal sensitivities. But his decision overturned a 2017 division bench ruling, and according to the DMKs and its MPs, risked provoking communal tensions in the state of Tamil Nadu, prompting the party and its MPs to pursue impeachment proceedings on the grounds, that issuing such an order despite of potential unrest in and earlier bench's decision, which is amounted to a serious misconduct. So today, the MPs in Parliament have signed and have also submitted to the Lok Sabha Speaker. We'll have to wait and see what will be, the development on this, Sakshi.
Absolutely. It's a developing issue at the moment and you have provided us latest. But with regards to the investigation into the matter, what on that front, Thoyajakshi, was the latest update? Thoyajakshi, can you hear me? All right, I think we lost connection with Thoyajakshi over there. We'll try to connect the audio line. Right now, the latest development coming in straight from the Parliament is with regards to Tamil Nadu Deepam Rao. It has now escalated into a major constitutional standoff. On the upper left screen on your television, you can see the MP standing, extending the matter to the Speaker. DMK MP Kanimori, backed by INDIA bloc leaders, the leaders that you can see through the visuals, have moved an impeachment notice against Madras High Court Judge G.R. Swaminathan, a motion that carries about 120 signatures. Shifting focus, Prime Minister Narendra Modi says India has moved into full reform express mode. This is another big breaking news coming in. Addressing the NDA Parliamentary Party meeting, the Prime Minister declared that reforms are no longer slow or selective. They are rapid, purposeful and people-centric. He told MPs that the focus is not just economic reform, but removing everyday hurdles citizens face, from long forms to outdated procedures. The Prime Minister pushed for an end to 40-page applications, repeated data submissions and emphasized doorstep services powered by trust in citizens, recalling that self-certification has worked successfully for a decade. The message was very clear. Ease of life and ease of doing business will drive this government's next phase, and MPs must bring real problems from the ground to fuel this reform express.
पूरा एनडीए लीडर्स की ओर से बिहार के जनता का आशीर्वाद और चुनाव में शानदार जीत के लिए अभिनंदन किया और विजय माला पहनाया गया है। फिर प्रधानमंत्री जी ने सारे एनडीए सांसदों को देश के लिए और अपने संसदीय क्षेत्र के लिए और राज्य के लिए क्या क्या करना है बहुत अच्छा गाइडलाइंस मार्गदर्शन दिया है